What's going on, guys? Before I enter any trade, I follow the same chart analysis process. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how I break down a stock and find potential setups. This is the SPY chart, guys. The first thing I look at is the overall trend. Currently, the market is very choppy. There's no clear trend, as you can see. It's kind of just chopping around between the $760 level and the $720 level down here. If there's no clear trend and the market is choppy, it's hard for trend traders to trade and for breakouts to work. Next, I'm going to show you the importance of support and resistance. This $760 level where it says high, that is resistance level. That's going to be a hard time for buyers to push through that. Next is 740. Here is a support level where buyers are buying around this level and keeping it kind of in those two zones between 760 and 740. This is very important because if it breaks that all-time highs, it can start a new rally and a new trend. Very important for trend traders. Now, this is how I find stocks to trade. I use finviz.com and I trade mega cap stocks only. So I'm going to go ahead and click that mega cap, and then I'm going to click on the performance tab. And you can filter Finviz by performance monthly is what I use, but I'm going to filter it by the stocks that are up the most for the last month on this Finviz tab right here where it says performance monthly. So when I click that, I'm going to click on charts. And then from here, you can see literally all the stocks that are up the most for the past month. And I look for bull flag patterns. Next, a good setup means nothing without risk management. Before I enter, I know my entry, where I'm wrong, and my potential reward. So I use the Interactive Brokers platform, and I'm going to show you guys how to use a stop loss. Stop losses are very important. I use these on every single trade that I place. And every brokerage platform has this option to use to protect yourself from further losses. It's called a stop loss, guys. So say I wanted to purchase a SPY at 750, and in the case I was wrong and the SPY pulled back, I will place my stop loss at 745. If I place my stop loss at 745 and the price hits 745, the platform is automatically going to sell it. You don't have to be in front of the monitors. It's just an order that will automatically push through if the price hits 745. I'm going to go over a couple of trades where you can spot bull flag patterns and these patterns that I discussed. Here's Tesla from 2020. In 2020, stocks were going absolutely berserk, but Tesla was on fire. So as you can see, here's the Tesla stock. It followed this trend line, went up, pulled back, and finally closed. So I am a trend trader. I use two EMAs, the 14-day EMA and the 100-day EMA. And I trail all of my trades with the 14-day EMA. And I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. So here is a small bull flag pattern, and you want to purchase as soon as the stock price starts breaking out. And I'm going to show you where your purchase entry would be. Here is where you will purchase the stock. You would hold this stock, you would ride the trend all the way up, and you would not close your position until the price actually closed below this 14-day EMA as it did here. So here the stock broke out around this $25 price, and you would have doubled your money on that trade. Next up, here's another trade that I took on Tesla. Can you spot the flag, guys? I'm going to show you right here. The stock had a very small run up, pulled back against its 14-day EMA, and then look what it did. It broke out. Consolidated, got tighter, and broke out. And I trailed the specific trade with this 14-day EMA. I'm going to show you right here. Here's the entry as soon as it broke out. And now look, you just trail it all the way up. And then you want to close right here where the stock closes right below that 14-day EMA. Next up, NVIDIA. This was NVIDIA in early 2024. Let's look at this trend. I'm going to show you the flag that I took. And let me show you this breakout on NVIDIA. Beautiful, beautiful breakout. 5-star A+ setup. So here's the flag. It's a very tight flag. The stock price ran up. It started getting tighter, consolidating. And then here's where your entry will be, right at the breakout of that flag. Your entry would have been around this $50 price point. And guess what you would have done, guys? You would have ran it up and trailed it with this 14-day EMA moving average. You would have trailed it, would have ran up, and you would have exited on a close below that moving average. Again, below. But look what it did the very, very next day. It gapped up above this moving average, and you would have entered into this again around the $75 price point. You would have trailed it with this EMA. And again, guys, you would have closed your position fully on a close beneath that 14-day EMA. This is trend trading, and this is how trend trading works. Of course, I dive deeper into my trend trading system, but this is just a quick analysis of how it works. If you would like to see how I actually trade, if you would like to learn more about this trading system, and if you want to trade with me, the link is in the bio. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.